Hey everybody, this is Vince again. Just going to do a quick walkthrough today of using Friend Connector and how we can find a lot of different like-minded people, hopefully customers, friends, people who can bring some traffic to your page. Best way to do that is by adding friends and having people see your message. All right, everybody, so in this case, I'm going to do a quick walkthrough, a couple minutes. We're looking at Friend Connector. So I'm in a realtor group that I am a member of. I'm going to go into the Friend Connector extension, click on Settings, and I'm looking at my segments that I have, my groups, and for this specific one, I've got a realtor template, and basically I am going to introduce them to group funnels and some free realtor templates that I have created. So once I click on that, we go into settings and we've got our groups, and here's realtor templates. So that's going to go use that one right there. And we've got our realtor messages. And you can see I've made several different versions. Again, so Facebook doesn't get mad that I'm sending these out. You can type whatever you want, include the first name or not, include your links or whatever. So now that I've got the basics set up, I'm going to go back in here. Again, I've got it set. I'm going to put it at 8 so I don't bother any of the moderators. I don't know them, so I'm not sure if they care. I'm going to go to my message groups, select realtors, and I'm going to run that here. And you can see now we have numbers popping up, and I can see a lot of these are mutual friends that I have. And what this will do is every 10 minutes send a friend request with one of the variations of the message that I have. And hopefully these people will click on my link, check out my offer, or communicate with me as far as real estate and add me to their friends list. And that is the quick crash course on Friend Connector. If you're interested, I'll put a link in the bio. Heavily discounted. I'm running a special right now. It's October 2021, and it's $20 a month for this tool. If you have any questions, need some further training, I'll post the link up, and you can always message me, chat, and see how it goes. Let me know if anything comes up, any questions, and that's pretty much it.